Norienye kaunti ma Garissa kata obedo na alworano osebedo kod nok mar jopuonj. Moko kuom jopuonjre manoyudo duoko makare e skund secondary ma Al-Azhar wacho ni gitiyo matek mondo giyud tije ma jomoko luoro kawo e alworano kaluwore kod monj makoch ma kinde ka kinde mosedaro jopuonj mathoth e kinde mokalo. Moko bende gombo bedo laktache e kind tije mamoko bang' gibiro yudo tiegruok mowinjore.
In our region, the teachers are very few and there's scarcity of them. And most of them, the courses mainly they want to pursue medicine or any, let's say, engineering or medicine. But then teachers, they are more important than those because they are the ones who will spread that knowledge of, let's say, engineering or doctoring. And I think it is the most noble course since it is the one with which the other courses will be spread and resurfaced.
I wanted to pursue medicine as well since it is a nice course, and I was admiring doctors since I was young. I always wanted to be a doctor, and now that I got a good grades, I can pursue it all I want. And as for how I feel today, I feel very much proud of what I got. And
as a student, I really liked to pursue medicine, and with the grade I got, I think I can do it. So I'm very much happy.